Alright, hello YouTube. This is Federation Gaming. Started doing some more videos again. Got a whole setup now, so let's see how this works out. We stopped by our locals here in Escondido and try to see what they had available as sort of sealed product to get a Lost Star promo. And pretty much all they had was some Fist of the Gadget packs. And so kind of sucks. That's all they had, but I bought 22 packs. It was an open box, so I think it's 24 packs. So 2 packs were already gone from the box. I'm not sure what went, but I went ahead and bought them out for that. And they went ahead and threw in 4 OTS 13 packs. Now, this is my new locals. I'm actually originally from LA, and so I used to be a local to a core TCG. I started going to this place as soon as I found out about it, and I bought a bunch of their sealed product last time I got a Lost Star, and they threw in some OTS packs, and I pulled a Ulti Book of Moon. Made back all the money I spent. So we'll see what we got out of these, but these will be left for last. So we're gonna go ahead and open packs up. Not really sure where exactly to put things. This is my first time doing it, and let's go ahead and start off. So I'm not sure how these ones work, but I see super rares. It's supers, and then there's one secret. So we got Red Gadget, we got Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Rooster, Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Cardinal, Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Tiger King, and our secret is Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Ram. Well, I'm not sure how much this guy is worth, but that is, oh, there we go. How much that guy is worth, but that is what I pulled right now. Oh, Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Ram. Alright, we got a Fire Formation Yoko, Starving Venom Fusion Dragon, Subterra Fiendus, a Cold Gadget, and an Archfiend's Ascent. Archfiend's Ascent. Not sure, again, what they're worth. That is my second secret. Alright, continuing on. Then we have a Majesty Maiden, True Draco caster. Oh, it's a True Draco card. Latency, Dynamite, Morphage, Lechery, and Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Peacock. So I think the Brotherhood of the Fire Fist cards are the best ones to be pulling, because they take the dark stuff plus the Fire Fist. I don't know. Fire stuff. Brotherhood of the Fire Fist is fire. I don't know, I think there might be some synergy there with what's coming out, like Noble Knight. Alright, continuing. We got Power Hold, the Moving Barrier, Goliath, a Green Gadget, a Signet Optimization, and we have a Fire Formation Dome. Secret Fire Formation Dome. Oh wait, I think I need to show these last ones. Fire Formation Dome and Peacock. So we got a lady Peacock. Box. Alright, Talkback Lancer, Fire Formation Yoko, Fire Formation Tensu, a Gorilla, and an Ultimate Fire Formation Sinto. Seems to be a counter trap. And a little bit, I'll go ahead and check my iPad and see what the prices are and things, and see if I got anything that's worth anything in here. That's not what I do it for. Do it for the likes. Alright, let's see. We got Code Talker, Raster Liger, Latency, a Gorilla, and a Archfiend's Awakening. Archfiend's Awakening. got one recycler. That's nice. Tiger King, L-Phase, and the Brotherhood of the Fire Fist, Elano. And I don't know what any of these guys do. Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Spirit. Our first bear. Oh look, a hidden city. Silver Gadget. And a fire formation engine. I think there's a good one for them or something. These are their spell cards. Continuous ones, those are usually what they use. Alright, we got a boot up order gear change. Power thingy again. Red Gadget, a rooster, and an Archfiend's Call. Archfiend's Call. No idea. I'm pretty sure that's like the worst shit you can pull here. Pretty sure the only thing that's worth a damn is Fire Fist stuff. Yellow Gadget, Rasterliger, boot up order, sign of conflict, and a Fire Fortress atop Liang Peak. I have no idea what that is either, but hold it. Alright, Prohibit Snake. I heard this is pretty good. People use it in salamangreats or some shit like that to get rid of stuff. Latency, sign of conflict, Cold Talker. Oh, look at this. It's a secret Ignis Heat. Ignis Heat True Draco. That is, should be expensive. I think that's the highest rarity that she's got. Should be expensive. Sign of Conflict, Talkback Lancer, Shooting Cold Talker, Dino Mist, and an Archfiend's Manifestation. Here's that last one too. I'm pretty sure everyone's seen Ignis Heat before though. Pretty sure. I'm in trouble opening packs now. Defcon Bird, Spirit, Yellow Gadget, Gold Gadget, and we got Boot Up Admiral Destroyer Dynamo. Pretty sure one of the cards you don't want to get. Alright. Swap Cleric, Goliath, Starting Fusion, a Chronograph, and another Archfiend's Ascent. First Chronograph we come across. Defcon Bird, Green Gadget, Lechery, Dynamist, our first Secret Tanky. Not the highest rarity tanky. The highest rarity is the ultimate, but I ain't buying that shit. It's like $100. Lechery, Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Cardinal, Subterra Final Battle Hollow. That's pretty good. Boot Up Command garbage card, and a Rank Up Order Gear Force. Rank Up Order Gear Force. I don't know what the fuck that is. Probably garbage. Alright. Getting down to it. What do we got going? Spool Code. Another Final Battle. Another Chronograph. Another Bear. And a Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Swan. So first, Swan. He likes to swim in the swamp. Another Prohibit Snake, another Maiden, L-Phase, Yoko, and another shitty Archery Descent. Why do I keep pulling these Archery cards? No one wants them. So Super Fiendus, L-Phase, Maiden, Lancer, and we have another Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Ram. That's what we started with. That was our first one we pulled. We got 2 Rams. Look at that fucking Archery Descent. We have like 4. Pull 50 Archfiend cards, but I can only pull 1 Tanky. Ain't that a bad bitch? Alright, Fusion, Fiendus, Gold Gadget, and another one of those Cinto counter trap cards for the Fire Fist. 2 packs left, guys, and then we got to our OTS ones. 2 packs left. I need 2 packs, that's 20 packs down. Shooting Code Talker, Boot Up Bullshit, Swap Cleric, Tensu, and another Brotherhood of the Fire Fist. This one's Eagle. Fiendus, Code Talker, another Code Talker, another thing, and again the Field Spell, Fire Fortress atop Liang Peak. Alright, so we got a bunch of bullshit as far as I know. And I haven't really kept up with Fist of the Gadgets since it came out, but that's all that the local had. I've been buying them out of all their sealed product. This just shows the COVID thing has to end. Alright. Stuff's out the way. We have 4 OTS 13 packs. Alright. Last time first one I opened was an OT. And it was a OT book move. So I got a Spiral Mission, Goblin King, and Lady in White. Spiral Mission. Most things are worthwhile. Spiral. You need those things in Super. Get them all common. Gotta upgrade. Alright. We got a D-Prison, Dimensional Fortress Weapon, and another Spiral thing. Spiral Gear Drone. Another one that needs to be upgraded because that shit's like rare. Alright. What's next? Well, I know it's not Ultimate because it came out from the bottom right there. So I got a Bottomless, Dimension, and a Where Art Thou? What kind of card is that? Alright, last pack. Money pack. Ultimate. I feel it. I hope it is. Hey, it's not. It's a fucking Junk Speeder. Damn it. A Muddy Mud Dragon, Flood Great Trap Hole, and a Junk Speeder. Well, alright. That was pretty much everything I got from my locals today. I went, like I said, I went over there trying to see what they had. And, mostly structure decks. So the Machina one, which isn't really needed. And then the Hero one, which I bought plenty of times. So all I did was buy some Dragon Sleeve. I decided to get apple green on this one because that is what the Fire Fist ones is going to be in. They're going to be in green because, I don't know, it costs money. Alright, well, thank you for sticking through this, and go ahead, hit the like and subscribe, and until the next video, thank you.